Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can adjust the audio levels of a track in Davinci Resolve. So in this video I'm going to show you 6 methods how you can do this. So the first method is, if you go to the track and you will see a small thin line, just simply hover over it and then this type of icon will appear, and then just simply hold and drag the line downwards like this, and as you can see the volume of the audio has been decreased. So if you want to again increase the audio, again go to the same thin line, then hold and move the cursor upwards, and the audio level is now back to normal. So this was the first method how you can do it. So the second method is just simply right click on your audio levels, then click normalize audio levels, then simply choose a normalize mode over here, then click normalize, and as you can see the audio level has again decreased. So this was the second method by which you can decrease the audio levels. Now for the third method is, just simply click your audio levels over here, then go inside the inspector, which you will find over here, then just simply click on audio over here. You will find an option called volume. If you scroll up and down like this, you will see that the volume is also increasing and decreasing. You can also do it from over here, or you can add a number manually like this, and the audio level will increase and decrease automatically. So this was the third method how you can do this. So now let's talk about the fourth method. So the fourth way is, just simply again choose your audio level over here, then go to the mixer over here. You will find the audio fader over here. So if I play the video over here and scroll this particular mixture down, you will see the effect.
Sony A7S Mark II, 100 megabits per second.
As you can see, the volume decreased when I lower the bar over here. So this was the fourth method how you can do it. So the fifth method is, you can use an audio effect from the audio effect panel, which you can access from over here by clicking on effect, then audio effects. So let's say for example, if I drop the multiband compressor onto the audio level over here, it will open this particular window in which there is a column called gain. So if I decrease this, you will see the audio levels is also decreasing. Now if I play this audio
at 1600 ISO, this is the bass sensitivity when you film with picture profile 7, which is why everything looks very flat. This clip is for subsequent group.
So as you can see, the audio level dropped. So that's the fifth way how you can decrease audio in Davinci Resolve. So for the sixth method, you have to go to the firelight over here, then just simply click on the dynamics over here by choosing the timeline. Just double click on that, and then in here you will find a slider called makeup. So just simply increase that, so it will balance your audio levels even if it is a lower pitch or a higher pitch. So if you increase this a little bit, your audio level should get balanced. So that's all the way you can adjust the audio level in Davinci Resolve. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel.